Imagine a place that combines the lifestyle of coastal Florida with the space and tools to support new industries and businesses. It's here in Southeast Volusia County, Florida, the launch pad for your aerospace business.
So Southeast Volusia is probably one of the hidden gems in our region as far as attracting businesses.
I think a lot of business owners would be surprised about how much technology and manufacturing and industry is going on in Southeast Volusia. There's high-tech companies, composites, aerospace. You still have the great beaches and the great outdoor activities that people love, but there's also a huge influx of technology and manufacturing in the past several years that are really growing the business community.
You can look at the infrastructure, and certainly we have that here. You can look at access to qualified workforce, and we have that here. Those are the tangibles that you can certainly check all the boxes, and we check all the boxes.
Southeast Volusia County is home to growing, vibrant communities, 2 major interstate systems, an international airport, and access to seaports and the major metropolitan cities of Orlando and Jacksonville. Our area is also the very heart of America's technology triangle, with Kennedy Space Center to the south and Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University to the north. Aerospace, aviation, advanced technologies. The future begins right here.
Students that come to Embry-Riddle have a passion for aviation and aerospace, and they come here because they want to get a deep education in those areas and then go to work for the top aircraft manufacturers, airlines, and aerospace companies.
Embry-Riddle has, they have a great reputation, not just locally, but nationally, globally. They've always been known for management and ops and things of that nature, but they're making a conscientious effort to broaden their research capability into the commercial space arena.
So we're connected to Cape Canaveral in the south and Orlando in the west. There's a lot of supply chain industry that is building up in this area to support the launches that happen down there.
Companies have already invested more than $250 million to bring their high-tech companies to the area.
Both the county and the municipalities have taken steps to make things ready for development. There's a large area of industrial property, there's commercial space. They're ready to go. So if you're looking for vacant, if you're looking for a manufacturing or a warehouse, there is space available.
Southeast Volusia has the largest contiguous industrial area in the county. Governments and businesses are working hand in hand to expedite permits and get your business moving.
We have developed an aviation aerospace overlay zone here. We are doing what we can to speed up the process because we understand it's not just shovel ready, it's got to be permit ready too.
Southeast Volusia has a strong workforce pipeline with top-ranked schools and colleges, vocational and STEM programs. Southeast Volusia is ready to work.
This lab is a great example of something that's unique. Right here in Southeast Volusia, this lab was created to meet the workforce needs, not only the existing workforce needs, but the emerging workforce needs. There is an infrastructure here, there is an ecosystem that exists right now today that's ready to meet that need.
Excellent schools and year-round activities also make it a perfect place for raising a family.
I've got three children, 10, 8, and 4 years old. We've chosen to raise them right here in Southeast Volusia. I think there's no better place to raise a family, and I could literally work and raise my family anywhere in America, and I've chosen to stay right here.
Here in Florida, we have a unique capability. We have a unique lifestyle. Being able to actually live here, work here, play here, and watch your rocket and payload launch really gives us a unique capability. We're where we need to be to compete. In Volusia County, what they've done there, they're in a position to bring home the bacon.
Industry, education, workforce, economy, and lifestyle. All reasons Southeast Volusia is the launch pad for your aerospace business.